Hi, I'm Clay Ford, Board Chair for the Pritchard Committee for Academic Excellence. I'm honored to invite you to the 2024 Groundswell Summit and Annual Meeting, happening on June 10th through the 12th at the award-winning Owensboro Convention Center. The event is a rallying point for families, educators, and community members who are passionate about advancing education in Kentucky. The Pritchard Committee is excited to offer a program filled with inspiring keynote speakers, interactive workshops, and diverse networking opportunities. I know these will energize you and provide tools to make substantial impact in our schools. The Pritchard Committee has long been a leader in educational innovation, and this summit offers a unique platform to share ideas and strategies that drive substantial change in education. This year, we are especially proud to have Owensboro Health as our presenting sponsor, whose dedication to improving community health mirrors our commitment to educational excellence. As we gear up for this transformative event, I'm personally excited to showcase my hometown of Owensboro to each of you. Join us as we forge paths to evaluate education in Kentucky and beyond. We look forward to welcoming you to Owensboro this June, where together we will continue to shape the future of education. Go to www.pritchardcommittee.org to register. We can't wait to see you soon.